Looking for a smarter, faster way to keep your home spotless in 2026? Today we are diving into the top 5 best Dreame smart vacuum cleaners that combine power, intelligence, and convenience. Whether you need wet and dry cleaning or a lightweight cordless solution, this list has something for every home. Let's get started and find your perfect cleaning companion. Number 5. Dreame H12 Pro. If you want a vacuum that handles both wet spills and dry messes without switching tools, the Dreame H12 Pro is a strong contender. This cordless floor washer combines vacuuming, mopping, and washing in one seamless motion, making it ideal for busy households with kids or pets. What really stands out is its powerful suction paired with a smart water circulation system. It continuously refreshes clean water while removing dirty liquid, so you are always cleaning with a fresh mop. The edge-to-edge brush design allows it to reach along baseboards and tight corners, solving a common frustration with traditional cleaners. The intelligent mess detection automatically adjusts suction based on the level of dirt. This means you get efficient cleaning without manually changing settings. You also get 2 cleaning modes, one for standard use and another dedicated to suctioning liquids without mopping. One of its best features is the self-cleaning system. After you finish, simply place it on the dock and activate cleaning. The roller brush washes itself and then dries with hot air, helping prevent odors and bacteria buildup. This adds a level of hygiene that many vacuums simply cannot match. With a runtime of over half an hour and a large 900 ml clean water tank, it can cover a good portion of your home in one go. The LED display and voice prompts guide you through the process, making operations simple even for first-time users. Overall, the Dreame H12 Pro is perfect if you want an all-in-one cleaning machine that saves time and effort while delivering consistently clean floors. Number 4. Dreame V11. The Dreame V11 is designed for users who want powerful suction in a lightweight and highly versatile cordless vacuum. It features a high-speed motor running at 125,000 revolutions per minute, delivering strong and stable performance across different surfaces. This vacuum stands out with its impressive runtime of up to 90 minutes, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruption. Whether you are dealing with carpets, hardwood floors, or furniture, the V11 adapts easily thanks to its multiple cleaning modes and interchangeable attachments. The OLED display gives real-time updates on battery life, cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts. This makes it easy to stay in control and ensures you never run out of power unexpectedly. It also includes a continuous operation mode, so you do not have to hold down the trigger while cleaning. Filtration is another highlight. The 5-stage system captures extremely fine particles, helping improve indoor air quality. Combined with its cyclone technology, it keeps suction strong while reducing filter clogging. The brush design helps prevent hair tangles, which is a big plus for pet owners. It also performs well in tight spaces like corners, under furniture, and even on delicate surfaces like upholstery. Noise reduction technology ensures a quieter cleaning experience, which is especially useful in shared living spaces. Despite its power, it remains comfortable to use thanks to its ergonomic build and balanced weight. If you are looking for a reliable cordless vacuum that delivers long runtime, strong suction, and smart features, the Dreame V11 offers excellent value and performance for everyday cleaning needs. Number 3. Dreame Z10. The Dreame Z10 takes convenience to the next level with its intelligent base station that handles dust collection for you. Instead of emptying the dustbin after every use, the vacuum automatically transfers debris into a sealed dust bag inside the station, making cleaning more hygienic and hands-free. This system is especially useful for people who want minimal maintenance. The dust hub locks in fine particles with a filtration efficiency of up to 99.9%, helping keep your home cleaner and reducing exposure to allergens. Performance-wise, the Z10 delivers strong suction along with a runtime of around 65 minutes. It works well on both hard floors and carpets, thanks to its dual brush system. The soft roller handles delicate surfaces while the multi-surface brush tackles tougher debris. For pet owners, the anti-tangle design is a big advantage. It reduces the hassle of removing hair wrapped around the brush, making regular cleaning much easier. The included attachments also help you clean furniture, tight spaces, and hard-to-reach areas with ease. Maintenance is simple because most components are washable, including the filter and brush. This keeps the vacuum running efficiently over time without frequent replacements. The LED screen provides helpful information during operation, so you always know the current status. Despite having a base station, the design remains compact and does not take up much space. If you want a vacuum that reduces manual effort while still delivering strong and reliable performance, the Dreame Z10 is a smart choice that brings automation into everyday cleaning. Number 2. Dreame R20. The Dreame R20 is built for those who want maximum power combined with intelligent cleaning technology. With its high-speed brushless motor and strong suction capability, it easily handles dust, debris, and pet hair across various surfaces. One of its standout features is the LED optic technology. The built-in blue light reveals hidden dust in darker areas, helping you clean more thoroughly. This is especially useful under furniture or in corners where dirt often goes unnoticed. The R20 offers an impressive runtime of up to 90 minutes, ensuring consistent cleaning without frequent recharging. The battery system is designed to maintain strong suction throughout the session, so performance does not drop as you clean. It comes with multiple attachments that allow you to switch between tasks easily. Whether you are cleaning floors, furniture, or your car, the R20 adapts quickly. The motorized mini brush is particularly effective at removing pet hair and fine dust from fabrics. Filtration is highly efficient, capturing up to 99.9% of particles. All components are washable, making maintenance straightforward and cost-effective over time. The flexible extension tools make it easier to clean tight or elevated spaces without strain. It also features a one-press dust disposal system, keeping the process clean and simple. Storage is convenient with its docking setup, ensuring everything stays organized and ready for use. The combination of power, smart lighting, and versatility makes the Dreame R20 a great option for modern homes. If you want a vacuum that combines visibility, performance, and flexibility, the Dreame R20 delivers a premium cleaning experience. Taking the top spot is the Dreame H30 Ultra, a true flagship that combines advanced cleaning, sterilization, and smart automation into one powerful device. This is more than just a vacuum. It is a complete floor care system designed for deep and hygienic cleaning. One of its most impressive features is the hot water washing capability. It uses high-temperature cleaning to remove stubborn stains while achieving a high level of sterilization. This makes it ideal for families who prioritize hygiene and cleanliness. The design allows it to lie completely flat, making it easy to clean under beds, sofas, and low furniture. Combined with flexible movement and smooth handling, it reaches areas that many vacuums simply cannot. It also includes a full chain drying and sterilization system. After cleaning, the machine dries itself thoroughly, reducing moisture and preventing bacteria growth. This keeps the vacuum fresh and ready for the next use. The intelligent system automatically adjusts cleaning solution levels and provides real-time updates through its display and app connectivity. You can monitor usage, adjust settings, and even control the vacuum remotely. With strong suction and the ability to handle both wet and dry messes, it delivers powerful performance across all surfaces. The long battery life ensures you can clean large areas without interruption. The addition of LED lighting helps reveal hidden dirt, while advanced anti-tangle technology keeps the brush running smoothly. Everything about this vacuum is designed for efficiency, convenience, and deep cleaning. If you want the best of the best with cutting-edge features and top-tier performance, the Dreame H30 Ultra is the ultimate smart vacuum for 2026. That wraps up our top 5 Dreame Smart Vacuum Cleaners for 2026. Whether you need all-in-one wet and dry cleaning or a powerful cordless option, there is a perfect choice here for you. Thanks for watching, And don't forget to check the links below to learn more and upgrade your cleaning routine today.